Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I have in a fun box from Madam Glam. So, Madam Glam just released their Chapter 11 collection. This is the Friends and Family collection. This is a Fall and Thanksgiving collection. And if you guys are fans of the show Friends, then you guys are going to be all over this collection because this collection is actually based on the TV show Friends. Now, I'm not super familiar with that show, but I've definitely seen bits and pieces of it, and I get some of like the catchphrases and stuff like that. So this is a full nude collection. There are 10 polishes in this collection. I'll go ahead and insert all the colors up here on the screen. Madam Glam has graciously sent over 5 of the colors from the collection for me to test out and swatch for you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. This first one is called Smelly Cat. Here is what Smelly Cat looks like. This is a super light, kind of off-white vanilla bean type of color. I feel like in camera it's looking a little bit more yellow than it actually is. In person it's definitely more of like a warm vanilla bean. This next one is called Pivot. Here's what Pivot looks like. This one is more of a pinky type of a nude. Still on the lighter side, but I think this one's going to make a really nice pinky nude background. This next one is I'm Fine. Here is what I'm Fine looks like, and this is a beautiful caramely type of nude, kind of right in the middle. It's not too light, it's not dark. This one is called Taste Like Glam. Here's what Taste Like Glam looks like. This is a gorgeous brown. It's like a chestnut espresso type of a brown. It is really pretty. This is definitely gonna be a good fall color. And the last one I have to share with you guys is We Were on a Break. Here's what We Were on a Break looks like. This one, again, gorgeous color. It's a deeper mocha shade. This is gonna make a really nice winter brown. It'll work for fall too, but I'm thinking I'm gonna use this definitely in the winter time. So I'm gonna go ahead and give these all a cure and do second coats, and I'll come back with all of the swatches. All right, so here are the 5 shades. I did go ahead and do half of the swatch in a matte top coat, so you can see the matte too. But we have Smelly Cat, Pivot, I'm Fine, Looks Like Glam, and We Were on a Break. Now they did let me pick which 5 I wanted from the collection, and I tried to get a good range of the light, mediums, and darks, and I also wanted to fill in kind of some of my nude collection as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some comparisons of these guys to the ones I already have. So here is the lineup, the new ones that I got in. And here are the 5 nudes that I already had. This one is Workaholic. Definitely much more on the pink side. it doesn't really fall into the nude category if you look at it all together. But Pivot was a little on the peachy side. You can see this one is much pinker. This one was from chapter 10. This is the Inventor Glitter. It's kind of on the brown side. Doesn't really all to compare. I'm not sure if you would count this as a nude or not. Then that leaves us with the 3 more nude shades that I have. This one is Creamy Caramel. And compared to the one I called Caramel, I'm Fine. You can see that Creamy Caramel is definitely more on the yellow side. So compared to Smelly Cat, it's definitely quite a few shades darker than Smelly Cat. This one here is Proud Nude, and this one's like right in the middle. Here it is next to I'm Fine, and it is a couple shades lighter than I'm Fine. And this one here is No Angel. And here's No Angel next to I'm Fine. I don't know if it's picking it up on camera, but No Angel is definitely a little bit more on the pink, peachier side, versus I'm Fine is a little bit more on the neutral side. So again, here are the ones that I got. I would say probably my 2 favorites would be this dark one, which is super pretty. We were on a break. I just absolutely love that. It is gorgeous. I feel like people don't get brown nails enough. So hopefully I can come up with some sort of a brown, like a dark brown nail design to do for winter or for fall. My other favorite is Pivot. I think this is going to replace the peachy nude that I always use, Curious Skies Cheeky. They are, I did look at them in the bottles next to each other, and they're not identical, but they are pretty close, and I much prefer the Madam Glam formulas. So I think this is going to replace Cheeky, and guys, I have not found a replacement for Cheeky. I'm not the biggest fan of Curious Skies. It's just what my local shop carries, and I like Curious Skies over the other brands that they carry, but I've been looking for a replacement for Cheeky secretly, and I think I finally found it. I'm very excited about that. But we will have to test it. I have 2 of the girls I do nails on. Like, I use this color on them almost every set. If you've been following me, you will know I use this color on them almost every set that they get. So I'll have to put it to the test and show them this one and see what they think. So I'm going to go ahead and do a quick fun tutorial for you guys using some of these shades from this collection. So I'm going to remove my polish, although if you're wondering what this is, this green is Madam Glam's Mysterious. It is my all-time new favorite olive green shade. It is gorgeous. And then I just have a little bit of a glitter fade on them. It's Light Elegance's Me Me Me. And just a super fine gold holographic glitter. Super pretty, easy mani for fall time. I'm going to go ahead and take off this color, and I'll meet you back, and we're going to do a tutorial with the nude collection. So I decided to pull these 3 colors. I thought they went pretty well together. I'm going to use I'm Fine as my background color. Then I'm going to use Smelly Cat and We Were on a Break as my swirl design. So I did decide to go ahead and do a swirl pattern. I've seen quite a bit of swirl patterns. It seems like it's still pretty popular, but I thought it was going to be so pretty done with these neutral colors. So I'm going to go ahead and do 2 coats of I'm Fine. Again, this is the color I chose for the background. Then I'm going to go ahead and on my palette, I'm going to put down Smelly Cat and We Were on a Break. So my background is a nice medium shade, and then for the swirls, I have a light color and a dark color. So we're going to go ahead and start off with the dark color. I'm going to use my Light Elegance's swirly brush to do this design, and I'm just going to go around and just make swirls on my nails, no rhyme or reason, just doing what I think looks good. And I did remove the tacky layer before I started doing the nail art, and I am flash curing in between every couple of nails. So I do the thumb, flash cure, I do the pinky and ring finger, flash cure, and then I do the middle and pointer finger, and then I go ahead and do a full cure of all the nails. Once I have all of the dark swirls put down, I go ahead and go back in and do my light swirls. So for the light swirls, I decided I want some of it to push up next to the dark, and some of it I want to be kind of by itself. You'll see as I'm putting it down that some of it is like striped next to each other, and some of it is more away. So once I got my light and my dark swirls down, I decided it still needed a little bit more. That could definitely fill in some of the spaces more. So I decided to go in with Taste Like Glam, which is a medium to darker shade, and I go ahead and do some more swirls with this one. So I did end up using 4 out of the 5 shades that I got in. I decided not to use Pivot because that one is definitely more on the pinky side, so I feel like it didn't quite fit in with the other 4 colors. And now that I have the 3 shades down in swirls, I did decide I want just a teeny bit of sparkle. So I went ahead and I pulled my Madam Glam's gold gel paint, and I literally added just the tiniest bit on each nail, just a little bit kind of in between some of the swirls, just to add that hint of sparkle, but I did not want to overpower this design. Once I put the gold gel paint down, I decided I was finally done with this design, and I kept going back and forth and adding more. So now we're going to go in with top coat, and I decided to do them matte. So we're going to use the Velvet Matte Top Coat from Madam Glam. This is my all-time favorite matte top coat. You guys have to try this out. So here's how my nails came out. I absolutely love them. They're simple, yet there's enough to them. I don't know, they're just a really pretty design. I've been really liking everyone's swirl designs recently. I know that's been popular for a little while, but I'm definitely still into them, and I thought doing them with all neutral colors would look super pretty, and it's a perfect fall design for sure. And then that little gold stripe that I added in adds just the hint of reflection, even though this design is matte. So this collection did release at the beginning of this month. I'm so sorry I'm getting this video up late. My package did get caught up in the mail, and then life just got a hold of me, but I finally got this video up. I was so excited for you guys to see this collection. I had known about it for a little while. I highly recommend getting this collection if you haven't already. These are going to be great staples. You will definitely get a lot of use out of all of the colors, and they have a pretty good range as well. And remember, I do have my discount code with Madam Glam, so I will go ahead and leave that link down below, as well as have it up here on the screen. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy me doing swatch videos. Let me know if there's anything you guys want to see swatched for Christmas. I do already have up my swatch video for the Light Elegance's winter collection. I'll go ahead and leave that link down below as well. Make sure you're subscribed so you can see more tutorials of how I use these nail shades in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!